Can we say make against someone? Like he made against with me. Is it correct? No. Let's fix it. Make against is not used in normal English. Example: he made against me. She made against her friends. These sentences are wrong. What to say instead? Depending on meaning. Let's see. Meaning 1. Turn against. Become opposed. વિરુદ્ધમાં થઈ જવું. Example: they turn against me. તેઓ મારા વિરુદ્ધ થઈ ગયા. Number 2. Go against. Opposed. Disagree. વિરોધ કરવો. Example: she went against her parents' decision. તેણે તેના માતા પિતાના નિર્ણયનો વિરોધ કર્યો. Meaning number 3. Make a case against. Formally oppose. કાયદેસરનો વિરોધ. Example: the lawyer made a strong case against the company. વકીલે કંપનીની વિરુદ્ધ મજબૂત દલીલ કરી. Now easy trick. Instead of make against, use turn against, go against, make a case against. So friends, don't make mistakes against grammar. Save this reel for practice. See you soon next reel.